So I've removed all the emulsion. The next step is to spray an ink remover into the mesh to try to get any excess ink out. Also, we want to make sure that we're cleaning these rails off on the backside as much as possible. So the next person that goes to touch the frame to do the next step to coat it, they don't get any excess ink on their hands. It's just kind of a thing we do just to try to keep everything as clean as possible. This just gets rubbed into the mesh. This is a degreaser that degreases the mesh, removes all the excess chemical that we just used in the dip tank and on the screen. Just want to rub this in with your hands. You want to make sure your hands are clean. You're not rubbing anything into this. It's pretty clean. Do a little once over, make sure there's no ink. Tap it out. And then it goes to this rack just to dry out. And then eventually it becomes one of these coated screens.